struggling with high production costs and frequent welding defects in your manufacturing process. In industries like electrical enclosures, control cabinets, automotive parts, and elevator door panels, precision and efficiency are crucial. Traditional welding methods often lead to wasted materials, longer cycle times, and inconsistent weld strength, impacting your bottom line and product reliability. Enter the TATE CNC stud welding machine, designed to eliminate these challenges and boost your production efficiency. With cutting-edge CNC control technology, this machine delivers precise stud placement and consistent weld quality, reducing scrap rates and minimizing costly rework. Equipped with automated welding parameter optimization, the system adapts instantly to different stud sizes and materials, ensuring every weld meets strict industry standards. Its high-speed operation supports both small and large batch production, making it ideal for manufacturers in the metal enclosures, cabinets, automotive, electronics, and construction sectors worldwide. The TATE machine's robust design guarantees stable performance under continuous operation, while its intuitive interface simplifies setup and monitoring, cutting training time and operator errors. By integrating this solution, businesses across the United States, Germany, India, Japan, Brazil, Poland, Ukraine, Turkey, and other key markets have improved productivity and lowered operational costs. If you're looking to enhance welding accuracy, reduce downtime, and scale your production with confidence, the TATE CNC stud welding machine offers the perfect combination of advanced technology and reliability. Transform your welding process. Choose TATE for smart, efficient, and durable stud welding solutions. Contact us immediately at info@octate.com for more details.